In this video, we are going to talk about how to enter the market, different market orders, and we're going to talk about, what is the spread. And I'm just going to show you guys the basics when it comes to, these platforms. I'm not going to go over all platforms because I know a lot of you guys are using different platforms. And I don't know all the platforms, but I'm just going to show you guys the basics because all platforms have market orders and limit orders and different things like that. So we're going to go over that and, where to find, your indicators and different things like that. Now, anything else you want to know about your platform, just contact your broker, okay? Your broker is there to help you. So contact your broker, or you can go online or just to search up something for free. So here is an MT4 platform. Okay, this is when you trade Forex. So right here we have Euro, USD, and we have the spread right here. What is the spread? Pretty much the difference between the bid and the ask. So right here, the difference is 2.3. So we're going to take the 72.3 and minus the 70. So basically the spread right now is 2.3, but the market's not open anyway, so that's why the spread is pretty wide. Usually like around 1 something. Now, the reason why you want to know the spread, because when you're about to buy or sell, you're going to have to add the spread on top of your order. Okay, so let's say that this candle right here, you're trying to buy this candle right here. Okay, and basically, let's say the high on this candle right here is 50, right? So in order to get in, you're going to have to add the spread. So 50 plus 2.3, so it would be 52.3. Okay, so that's what you have to basically type in. So let's go to the order. So you click new order, right? So when it comes to Forex, I like to get in with a market order, but we're going to explain all these orders real quick. So this is the market execution. Now, every time you about to take a trade, you're going to have your entry price. You're going to have a stop loss, and you're going to have a target price. Okay, so the entry price is where you want to enter at. The stop loss is your protection. Okay, so when the market, let's say that you are wrong, right, and the market goes against your position, your stop loss is going to protect you from not losing a lot. Okay, so let's say you only want to lose $10. Guess what? Your stop loss will allow you to only lose $10, right? And your target price is how you take your profits. So you have to know beforehand where you want to take your profits. So is it 20 pips away? Is it 10 pips away? Or is it 40 ticks away? Okay, so you have to know ahead of time, right? Now, if you want to get in right away, so let's say that you're looking at the market and you want to buy this bar right here, okay? You want to buy right here. As soon as it goes above this green candle right here, you want to get in. What I would do is press buy market, and I will get in right away, because sometimes the spread goes back and forth, so sometimes you don't know the exact spread sometimes, but that's how I will get in when it comes to Forex. I would hit the market button. As soon as it goes above that high of that candle, I will get in right away. Boom, I'm in the market, and I'll put my stop loss, okay? In. So that is the market order. But let's say that you want to get in, and usually this is how I get in with if I'm trading futures, okay? I will get in with a buy stop. So right here we have buy limit, and I'm gonna tell you what a buy limit is, and we have buy stop. So buy stop is basically, it's a pending order, right? So basically what you're gonna do is, let's say that this order right here, you're gonna put in the price, okay? So a lot of times you just click on the price and it will show up. The price will show up automatically, or you can just press up or down and the price will show up. So let's say that you want to get in at this price right here. So you get in right here, and basically what you want to do is you want to put your stop order. So your stop order is right here. So let's say this candle right here is 10 pips. So 10 pips would be 60. Okay, so this is your stop loss. And your take profit, let's say your take profit is 20. So it's 20 pips. So you got in at 70. So 70 plus 20 is what? 90. So we want to put your take profit at 90. Okay, so we had 90 right here. Your stop loss is at 60, and your entry price is at 70. And then what you're gonna do is press place, and then boom, you are in the market. Remember before we talked about the volume. So we have the micro lots or the mini lots. So you had to put in how many lots you want. So you either want the micro lots or the mini lots, which is 0, 1, or you want the standard lots, which is 0.00. Okay, so it's up to you how much you want to risk, but that's how you get it. So that's pretty much it when it comes to a buy stop. Every time I'm getting in, I'm using a buy stop. Now it's the same thing when it comes to the sell stop. If I'm going to sell the market, the same thing, guys. Let's say I want to sell right here, all right, and let's say that this is 10 pips. I want to get in as soon as price, okay, goes below, okay, this low right here, this low of this candle. So let's say that the low of the candle right here, okay, let's go here. Let's say the low of this candle is 12, let's say 60, okay. So I'm gonna put my stop loss above. Let's say this is a 10 pip stop, so we're gonna put it above it, so it would be at 70. Okay, my stop loss would be 70, and my take profit would be, let's say I wanted to be 20 pips, so 60 minus 20 is 40. So my take profit is 40, and you press place, and boom, you are in the market. Remember, you have to actually calculate your size, whatever size you want to use. Let's say we're using a mini lot, so we get in right here, 1.0, okay, and we want to get in and press place, and that's it. You are in the market. It will have your take profit in place and your stop loss and everything else in place. Okay, so that's how you get in the market if you want to get in. But again, remember what I told you guys before. I like to get in with the market order first, okay, and then I will set my stop loss, okay, and then I will set my target profit. Now, a buy limit is basically, let's say that I want to buy, let me see if I can show you guys. All right, so let's say I want to buy this level right here. Okay, let's say I want to buy this level right here. Let's say I want to buy this level right here, guys. All right, this level right here. So the market's going up, and I want to buy this level right here. Okay, and basically the market didn't pull back to that level yet, so let me go back down. So the market, let's say the market is right here, and I'm waiting for the market to pull back down, okay, to this level. Let's say I'm waiting for the market to pull back down, okay, to this level right here. So it didn't get there yet, so I would put a buy limit instead of a buy stop. I'll put a buy limit, okay, and that buy limit will basically be right here waiting for the market to pull back. And as soon as it hit that buy limit, I'm in the market. Okay, so the buy limit is the same thing. You set your price. Okay, so let's say at the price, the buy limit, this price is 70. So you set it at 70. You always put your stop loss in. You put your take profit, your volume, and that's it. Same thing with sell limit, guys. Sell limit. Let's say that you want to get in. Let's say right here. Okay, so you want to get in right here at sell limit right here. And basically, you do the same thing. You press sell limit. So let's say you're waiting for a price to pull back to that level. They didn't pull back to that level yet, all right? And then as soon as it pulls back to this level right here, the sell limit is in place. And then as soon as it gets your order, you're gonna have your stop loss in place and your target in place. So that's pretty much it. That's the different ways you can get in the market. And this is pretty much universal on all platforms. Now, I want you to also remember that you have to add the spread when you are about to get in, okay? So I'm just showing you guys quick examples on how to use the platform, you know, but when you're about to put in the order, okay, let's say you want to put a buy stop, and the spread, like right now, the spread is around 1.6, so let's say that price is at 53, you would add 1.6 to 53, so it would be 54.6, okay? And then you would do the same thing with the stop loss and the take profit. Now, when the market is going down, okay, you're not going to add the spread. You are going to subtract the spread, okay? So, let's say the market's going down, and let's say the price was at 53. Instead of adding it, now you have to subtract it because the market is going down. So, it would be 51.4 because 53 minus 1.6 is 51.4, right? So that's a quick example of just adding the spread, and the same thing when you're doing with the stop loss. Okay, so let's go to TradingView right here. Now, TradingView is pretty much the same thing. You have the market order, you have the limit order, the stop order, okay? Whatever you want to use, you put that in. But now it seems like TradingView, they want you to put in the units. So This is the Euro USD. So remember when I say the units, before we was just putting in, you know, 0.01, but they want you to put in units. So let's say that you want to use 10,000 units. 10,000 units, okay, is you're gonna pretty much, and I like TradingView because it actually shows you how much you're gonna risk per tick. Per pip. So you don't even have to go to the calculator right here, okay, because it actually calculates everything, you know, everything in here. So pip value would be $1 per pip, so that's good. So if you're doing 10,000 units, which is 1.01, okay, is only $1 per pip. If you're risking 10 pips, so that's a $10 trade right here. So you put in the take profit, okay, you put in how many pips. So let's say take profit would be 20 pips, and you put in the stop loss. Let's say your stop loss is 10 pips. So you put in that, and basically you put in the units right here, and make sure that you click buy or sell, okay, right here. And this is the market order right here, and you just press buy, okay. So now if you want to do a stop order, and it's going to ask you, you know, the exact price, and you type it in right here, okay. So make sure you press buy or sell, and you get in and you press buy, or if it's a sell, you get in and you press sell. So that is pretty much it, guys, when it comes to the buy limits and how to get in the market, okay. Now before we end this video, let's talk about 1-to-1, 3-to-1s, 4-to-1. So basically, what is a 1-to-1, okay? You will hear me say that, you know, a lot. A 1-to-1 is basically, let's say that you're risking $10 and you're trying to make $10, okay? A 2-to-1 is if you're risking $10 and you're trying to make $20, right? And a 3-to-1 is you're risking $10 to make $30, okay? So that's pretty much what is a 3-to-1, 2-to-1, and 4-to-1. So I just want to make sure you guys know that, because I'm definitely going to talk about that in the course. So let's go to the next video.